Hey guys, this is Mike. So I started remodeling this house. I rent this house in September of 2013, and it's 900 square foot. Um, I believe the center section was the original part built in the mid 20s on a 40-acre parcel, and then there's now 4 houses on this 40-acre parcel. But the front of it was probably the living room was added in 1936 because there's a stamp that says 1936 on the slab. And the back part, laundry room and master bedroom, was built probably in the late 40s or, you know, mid to late 40s. So the basic plan was I was just going to take the siding off, replace the windows, fix any damage on the studs or water damage, and insulate it because it only had insulation on the driveway side wall in the attic. So started doing that, and then these old houses, you just never know what you're going to find. You're going to find all kinds of problems and issues and dry rot, and you have to be prepared to fix them. I have built 4 houses from the ground up and remodeled a lot of stuff, so I had experience, but mostly building new houses, tearing down the old house and just building new. But this is like my first major project of like everything you touched you had to redo. So, and you'll find out in a few episodes, I did shoot 101 videos of this project and a ton of pictures, and I was just using it, just basically using my iPhone 5, yay, and loading it on Facebook just to show my Facebook high school and middle school friends. So, hope you enjoy it. Just spoiler alert, when we get to the kitchen, we're going to be putting a new Ikea kitchen in and redoing the whole laundry room. The kitchen the kitchen had no studs in the wall, on the outside wall. And it still stood. I don't get it. So, and the laundry room had 1 stud in 11 feet. So, redoing those two with all new IKEA kitchen cabinets and re-sheet rocking it and all that good stuff. And then I finished around April, but we had to wait till it got a little bit warmer to paint it yellow. So, hope you enjoy it. I got a lot of more videos to come, so like and subscribe. So, talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, Mike here. Update on the siding. So I have one side done. Yay! And today's caulking day. So got a caulk all around the windows and stuff. So this doesn't look like the Blair Witch Project here. So anyways, Glenn, here's the side that I did. So the siding was behind the chimney, so I just cut it off and reflashed it. So anyway, so just gotta finish caulking all this stuff. Made that new corbel brace and fixed the fascia board that was all rotted. So anyways, one side done, 4 more to go. Yay! Okay, another siding update. So pretty much done with caulking until I ran out of caulking. So Home Depot, here I come. Anyways, that side's done, and here's what I get to start on tomorrow. Yay, I already did where the Tyvek has already replaced, took the old siding off because I had to do that corner right there. So anyways, I got to pull that window out, take all the trim off, and a couple deck boards, the back railing. So it's only 22 feet wide. So let's take a look. It's kind of sunny here, I can't see crap. So anyways, I'm replacing this door, which is all cracked over. So yeah, I could put my foot through that. And I'm going to fill that window in because I'm going to put a cabinet inside. So, and then I'm going to replace this soffit that's all big crackle there and trim it all out. So anyways, hey, see me, hey! So, oh, there we go, hey! Anyways, so there's the window, there's everything. So already took one trim board off up there. So I'll have this ripped off in about 2 hours tomorrow. So we'll see what's behind there. It's kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get until you open it. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, second wall. Only took me an hour and a half to get this far. I'll have the rest off in like 10 minutes. Then I'll have to take the 1x12s off, put some extra studs, some insulation, reset that window with some actually flashing, and then take the back door out. So that's where I'm at on Thursday. Here we go. This is how easy the siding comes off. Oops, if I can hit it. One. Take the tar paper off. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, here's where the window opening. No header. Looks like they nailed it from the inside to the trim board. What a joke. So I'll have to fur in some 2x6s because it's rough cut 2x4s. So anyways, so getting there. Alright, I'm in my laundry room, so everything was going good until I took that window out. So it's not a 2x4 wall. It's a 2x4 on edge. So it's only like a 2.5-inch wall. So I need to replace this door right here. So from that corner to that corner, I'm taking all the beadboard off, which I have to replace anyways, relocate that switch and put it kind of right there, a double gang box, and then just fur this wall out with 2x4s with the actual header, and it'll just be in about another inch. So anyways, so that's your box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Plus I got to change this window out too. I'm going to fill that in. So we'll see how that goes. I might have to put some 2x4s in that wall. And then you can buy that beaded board like that from Home Depot to kind of match. So I might just replace all this. Only money. So anyways, I guess that's it. So let the tearing apart begin. Okay, seems like I'm working a little backwards here. I just wanted to replace a door. So yeah, here's the framing that they had. It's not even a freaking wall. It's a rough cut 2x4 on edge. So it's a 3-inch wall. No freaking header over the door opening. So anyways, I just got to take that stud out and that one out, and then I'm gonna put a couple top plates and a header and frame it out and do it, because it's supposed to rain Sunday. Yay! Even though it's only Thursday. So anyways, so this is fun. Yeah, nice old house. So anyways, I guess that's all for now. So got some of my tool crap. What a mess. Alright, back to work. Oh, here's the door I'm going to put in right here. It's sitting here. So 9-light door. Looks nice. Ooh, ah. Alright, see you guys later. Hey guys, still working on the back of the house. So the bedroom window that you're looking at, it had retrofit windows and old sashes, you know, with the weights. So the hole is like way too big, and if I made it larger, then I'd have to cut all the trim inside and piece it, and it's wood trim inside the house. So I went and got another window with flange with a flange on it. So now I have to narrow it down, and of course it's rough cut 2x4, so you got to cut 2x6s down, and you know that's new insulation because it has no insulation in the walls. It does in the attic. So anyways, I got to add some studs because I'm going 16 on center, so there's a couple new studs there. And then I'm going to put a plug, an outside plug there with the GFI, so you can actually have a plug on your deck. And then put more insulation in there. Yay! It's got insulation in the ceiling though. So, what a joke. The back wall didn't even have like a wall. So, and I got to put a porch light in too somewhere. So, fun, fun, fun. At least it's sunny out. Yay! Talk to you later.